Hey there, guys. We're in Hawaii. Oh, so yeah, we went on an adventure yesterday. We got lost. You guys see that, and then now we're on the beach out here in Hawaii. Pretty nice weather. Got some drone footage, got some water footage. It's just pretty much like a normal beach day. Just pretty cool, a nice relaxing chill day. Yeah, and hopefully you guys like it. So yeah, thanks guys for following our page and watching. Cheers. 805.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came here way too strong, cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto, your taste. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose, there's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough.